The DSP assessment process starts with the consultation. During the consultation, we'll go over the client's training history, training goals, and injury history. This allows me to get a feel for where a client is at developmentally, and then we move forward from there. After the consultation, we move on to the movement screening. The movement screening shows me any sort of joint or movement limitations that the client currently has. I also take a look at resting posture just to see how their body looks at the moment. I utilize the data from this movement screening to develop a correctives program to help with injury mitigation. Following the movement screening, we get into the power assessment. The main part of the power assessment is done with the valved force plates that we have. The force plates give me a look at how an athlete creates power and if they have any sort of significant asymmetries at the moment. Looking at how an athlete creates power is very important for my program design. After the force plate testing, we'll get into horizontal, rotational, and upper body power testing. The final part of the assessment is our strength assessment. The first test we do is a rotational isometric. This measures the strength capacity of the obliques, which plays a major role in hitting and throwing velocity. After the rotational isometric, we move on to our rotator cuff test, which is done with the Armcare app. The Armcare app is great because it gives an in-depth look at current rotator cuff strength and mobility. This will give us instant results that shows us indications of any strength imbalances that the athlete shows at the moment. A proper Armcare program will be built off this assessment, again, to help with injury mitigation.